Bears are hungry after hibernation, and trees offer a quick and sugary snack, but that damages trees, and timber farmers blame bears for expensive damage every year. So for decades, the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife has allowed timber farms to bring hunters on their property to kill the bears using bait, dogs, and traps.
It's also interesting because really only 25% of the animals being killed based on these permits in this program actually have any bark in their system. So we're not necessarily killing bears that actually are causing the problem, and there's no evidence that killing those bears is helping the problem in any manner.
Sophia Ressler is an attorney with the Center for Biological Diversity, the group suing the state after an investigation King 5 aired 2 years ago. The lawsuit claims the state is allowing hunting practices that violate the law. Back in the 90s, voters banned killing bears with the use of bait, dogs, and traps, but there was a loophole. Hunters could still use those practices to target a specific bear known to be causing problems. But in a 2-year investigation, King 5 found that loophole is abused on commercial timberland. Instead of targeting bears that peel and damage trees, hunters kill any bear that's around, all approved by the state. Last year, a judge temporarily stopped the program while it waits for a full hearing. Except it's taken the state so long to produce proper documents, the bear hunting on timberland will likely be delayed another year.
The Center for Biological Diversity is confident that regardless of what happens, there will not be a 2019 season for these bear permits going forward.
In a statement to King 5, state wildlife conflict lead Dan Brinson writes, "We've continued our discussions with stakeholders, conservationists, timber companies, family forest owners, and others in an effort to move forward. We realize that with the current court timeline, it is unlikely that we will be able to provide landowners relief from timber damage this spring. We look forward to the clarity the court may provide and will implement the bear timber management program based on those findings."
And hopefully a rulemaking by the department is going to further save bears and also protect the timber industry, and will be a victory all around.
In Thurston County, I'm Allison Morrow, King 5 News.